Good morning, students. Welcome to the learning program. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start. We are going to discuss some of the problems of exercise 9A. So see, the 9A. Question number 1. Part first. We have to convert each of the following as a fraction. So 48%. How we will convert 48% into fraction? Divide it by 100 and simplify it. It will come cancel 2 to the 4 and 2 4 is 8. 50 times 2 is 12 and 25 times. So this will be 12 by 25. Now the next part, we have to express each of the following percent as a decimal. In second part first, we have to express this question number 2 part second. We have to express this 72% as a decimal. So how we will do this? 72 by 100 and 0.1 0.72. It will be 0.72. Okay. In this way, it is expressed in the form of decimal. Now, question number third part first. How will we solve question number third part first? 9 by 25. We have to express this as a percentage. So multiply it by 100. So 5 5s are and 5 20 times. Again, it will cancel 20 by 4. So 9 4s are, that is equals 36%. Okay, in this way you will solve with part 1 to 3. Now I am going to discuss question number 4. See, in question number 4, we have to express 4:5 as percentage. We have to convert this ratio as a percentage. So you know 4:5 means 4 divided by 5, and to convert this fraction into percentage, what do? We multiply by 100. So 5, it will cancel 20 times 24 is 80% is the answer. Okay. Now see question number 5. In question number 5, again we have to convert 125% as a ratio. So 125%, it will be 125 by 100, and 5, it will cancel 25 times, and 5 20. It will 5 5 is a 5 4. So it will be 5 by 4. Okay. Now let's see some another problem. Six. So you have to find out from these 3 numbers, you have to find out which one is the largest. So which is the largest? So first of all, convert everything into percentage. So this will be 6. 2 by 3 means you can write it as 6 3 is a 18, 20 by 3%. And this is how, when you convert it into percentage, you know how to convert the fraction into percentage. Multiply by 100, 25. Okay, so this much percentage, and this is 0.14 into 100. Okay, first of all I can write 0.14 as 14 by 100. Okay, this, convert this decimal number into fraction and then multiply by 100. This much percent. So this 100 and 100 will cancel. So this is 20 by 3. 20 by 3 means how much? 3 6 18, 6.66%. And here this is 5 3 is a 15%, and here 14%. So out of these, which one is the largest? This one, 15% is the largest. So this 20 by 3 is the, or sorry, 3 by 20 is the largest among all these. This is largest. Okay, in this way you will solve it. Now in question number 7, see part second. In part first, what percent of 150 is 96? So this you have to do just 96 divided by 150 into 100. In second, what percent of 5 kg is 200 gram? The 200 gram divided by 5 kg means how many gram? 5000 gram into 100. Okay, solve it. 2020. Make sure you have to convert 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So therefore this is 5000 gram. Now you have to convert both into same unit. 200 gram 5 divided by 500 gram. This is 1010, 5 2 10. So you will get 4% as the answer. Okay. Now see question number 8. 4 whole 1 by 2% of 3600. So this is 2 4 is 8, 8 1, 9 by 2% of 3600. How do you convert percent into fraction? Divide by 100. So this is 9 by 2 into 100 and into 3600. Okay. So you can solve it. 2020 to 18 times. Now 18 9 is 9 8 is 72. 162 is the answer. Now after 8 there is word problem. So see question number 12. In question number 12, Amit was given an increment of 20% on his salary. If his new salary is rupees 'What was his salary before increment? Okay, this is the question. Amit was given an increment of 20% on his salary, and if his new salary is 30,600, what was his salary before increment? So here you have to assume, let the salary before increment be X. Okay, let the salary, this salary before increment be X. Now how much is increased? 20%. So X plus 20% of X. This 20% is increased, and now the new salary, this is the total new salary. New salary will become, this will be equal to 30,600. Now we will solve it. This implies X plus 20% is 20 by 100 into X, 20X by 100, and it will be 101025 equal 3600. Now this is 5x, or you can say x plus x by 5 equals 30,600. Now this implies 6x by 5 equals 30,600. Okay. Now from here x will be equal to 30,600 into 5 divided by 6. So here 6 5s are 30, 5,100. X will be 5 and 5, 5 and 25. So 25,500 was the salary before increment. Okay, in this way you will solve such type of problem. So your today's homework will be exercise 9A 1 to 12. Okay, 1 to 12. Okay, students, solve these questions, complete your homework, and thanks for watching the video.